Hey, good morning. So, I was asked, why do I want to do Vince's kitchen so late in life? And the reality of it is that number one, I enjoy cooking. Number two, I enjoy teaching. I had a great opportunity to teach for about 3 years at California High School in Whittier, and I taught computer repair and web design during that period. And it opened up something that that I'd never done before. Now, sharing knowledge has always been one of those things, especially with being in the IT industry, that I've always been a big advocate of. When I was a consultant prior to teaching, actually taught and consulted at the same time. When I consulted and did my IT consulting, I was fortunate enough to meet a good group of people who knew things that I didn't know. I mean, you can't possibly know everything. So, through their knowledge that they shared with me, I became a better human being. I became a better consultant. I became more knowledgeable. And if I didn't have an answer, hold on, I gotta navigate this turn. Can't think and chew gum and drive at the same time. So if I didn't have an answer, I had a group of friends that could help with that knowledge. After quite some time and moving and not being in that teaching arena, I felt like that I was missing something. So it was by the influence of somebody who was very near and dear to me over the last year that sparked the fire for cooking again, and putting together a cooking channel to share knowledge. It just almost seemed like a natural thing. I must admit, though, that while trying to teach and facing camera is probably one of the most difficult things I've had to do. I'm very used to being on the other side of the camera lens and not in front of it. But that was one of the inspirations of behind Vince's Kitchen. So I hope I addressed that question. Once again, leave your comments, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. So let me know what you think. Do you think it's important to share knowledge, or do you think it's important to hoard it all for yourself? Go ahead and leave your comments down below and let me know. Anyways, this is it for the time being. Until the next video. Bye.